This video describes the Scleral composite eye capture available on the Medmont Meridia Vantage Topographer. On some patients, it can be challenging to open up the fissure wide enough to get the coverage that's desired for your scleral topography. In cases where it's difficult to get a wide enough capture, Medmont has created the composite eye option for scleral topography. You may be familiar with Medmont's composite eye topography available on the Placido or Corneal capture. You also have the option to do composite eye topography on your scleral capture as well. This can create a much larger view of the eye surface and provide you with the data to the far periphery that you need for scleral lens fitting. To begin your composite eye capture, the process is very similar to your single map capture. Go to Home, and then under the exam type, select the Sclera on Fluorescein capture option. With our capture window open, we can begin the process. Let's start by capturing the visual axis capture, or the patient looking straight ahead. We'll align the crosshair and the fiducials and select our capture. Then we'll have the patient look down. We'll ensure the fiducials are within the alignment circles. Then we'll have the patient look up and do the same. Again, ensuring that the fiducials are within the alignment circles. And then we're done. We've taken our 3 captures. The Scleral composite eye capture will allow up to 5 images to be merged together. In this case, we have 3 quality captures that can be merged to create our composite. After saving our scleral captures, let's go to the patient database along the left-hand side. Then we'll select the topographies that we want to create our composite eye view. With our scleral map selected, let's go up to the Analysis tab and select Composite Eye. Then the Medmont software will merge our multiple images together to create the larger composite eye map. This simple, efficient, and accurate procedure provides us with a better understanding of the eye surface well beyond the cornea. The composite eye feature becomes a very effective tool when we need a much larger capture than typical. On this patient, we were able to achieve up to 19.4 millimeters of captured and analyzed data. The composite eye feature is likely to be one of your principal tools for capturing scleral topography on patients. For more information on the composite eye capture or the Medmont Meridia Vantage Topographer, contact your authorized Medmont distributor.